looks absolutely fantastic.
Yeah.
And another kudos I want to give to the team. They are so responsive and truly customer centric. Right? There are many things that we requested them. There are many things that we wanted done at short notice. This team was able to execute everything, and it's also with the intent. Right? There is an intent of delivering things as per the client's desires, which is missing in this industry. And I think you guys have done it fabulously well. You guys understand what the client needs, and that is something that I really enjoyed working with you. It's we don't have to follow up 200 times. Mostly it is done once we say it once. So I'm really happy with that.
I found HCD through Google only. I was staying Brookfield. I just searched which is the closest interior designer because I didn't want to travel at a lot of places. So I called Subra and then got in touch. For many weeks, we were not able to visit because of our commitments. But firstly, I want to give kudos to the leadership between Subra, Shruti, and Guru. The kind of consistency they maintain with their roles is spectacular, right? Like Subra was quite good in following up that you come and visit our experience center. Once I visited, and then when I wanted to progress on a very short notice, they arranged us visits for some of the sample flats we wanted to see, because at that time I was evaluating a lot of other options in the market, but because my parents were here, I wanted to take some feedback from them. So on a very short notice, they made sure that they are showing me some samples. And what I liked about is, I think they took us to flats which were like quite old, but kudos to the people who are maintaining it, but the interior was maybe done in a way that it still looked very new. So that's, I think, the quality that speaks a lot about the quality of products that they deliver. And then through the design phase, the good thing is there's no push कि अच्छा नहीं अब यही है इसको close करो. Especially with my master bedroom, there were a lot of iterations, and when I was stuck somewhere, so the leadership stepped in and tried to help and figure out, and the kind of solution at that point, especially for mirror of my master bedroom, what they suggested, I really liked it. So that was then, I think one thing I have to give to HCD based on what I've spoken to other people also, the execution leadership is amazing, right? They listen to your concerns, they try to address it in the best possible way. In our case, there have been cases where they have went beyond to help us specifically so that we get our house the way we want it, right? So, I mean, I think HCD does stand true to what name they hold, the human-centric design, not only in design, but I think the human centricity comes more when you're doing it on site, because on paper it's one, on site it's another, but they have been very understanding about it. So yeah, but one last statement I would like to say, the leadership team of this organization will always listen to you. There's not been a moment where they've not responded to our calls or not picked up the phones or just gone ahead. So yeah, so to get the ideas how it would look in reality, I think the experience center definitely gives you that perspective. And one more thing is the kind of the use of experience center in my case, I will tell that helped me understand, okay, in reality how it is going to look, which is what I would expect when I'm visiting an experience center. It should not be like the shop is fancy and what you are putting is different. So when I visited experience center, there were some examples that Shruti walked me through. अच्छा ऐसा चाहिए, ऐसा हो जाएगा. So as a person who has to be here, उसको वही चाहिए.
Experience center was like, it serves its purpose. जो दिखाया, that's what is here, and that's what matters about the experience center, right? This was promised and this is what we have got. The same level of quality is what we have got. We're very happy with that also. So about the timeline, I think HCD promised us August, and it was delivered in August from your side, most of it. Whatever happened. But in terms of timelines, I think I would be more than happy to work again with this team. So
yeah, so timelines were quite good, and even if there is like little here and there in timeline, it's mutual, it was understood. So neither did they, neither like nor us, we created any, we didn't have issue with the timeline, to put it that way. जो भी था on ground reality था, ठीक है तो उसको नहीं डालूंगी, बट लाइक इन टाइमलाइन अगर बोलना है तो टाइमलाइन इज परफेक्ट. दे विल लिसन टू यू ऑन टाइम so that it gets delivered.
So my favorite spot is the guest bedroom. It's very tastefully done, and I love the color scheme, the way we have designed the lights around it, and right now it has this great wallpaper which has come across as we wanted it. Like that quality of the wallpaper is there. And then, even though that is like a favorite room of sorts, but the master bedroom has come out beautifully. The color tones are matching very well. Like the laminate flows into the
Headboard के ऊपर
headboard,
का.
and then the headboard flows into the bay window, which flows into the curtains. So it has that contrasting thing going on. It looks very nice. So overall, it's very good. And about the living room itself, these dark hues are complementing the overall lighting very well. So I think it's
I just want to add one favorite place. For me, it would be my mandir. It is a small but very cute. This is the exact feel of mandir that I wanted. I didn't want like a full-sized mandir because I wanted to keep the space free. So my request to the team was that please make it short, cute, but I want this shikara style to be done. So they figured out ways to do it. We redesigned the door. Some options that were given, I was not quite okay with it, but they came back giving more options. अच्छा ये नहीं तो ये कर लेते हैं. So I think I like my mandir a lot.
overall the mandir has also come out very nice,
Yeah, it just fits perfect.
perfectly with the overall decor of the house.